In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively block spam in your Gmail account to help keep your inbox free of clutter. We all know that spam emails can be incredibly annoying, and sometimes they even slip past the built-in filters on Gmail. Thankfully, with a few simple steps, you can significantly reduce the amount of unwanted mail you receive. First and foremost, let's navigate to your Gmail account. Once you're there, go ahead and open a spam email that's recently landed in your inbox. It's important to do this so you can pinpoint the sender's address and any distinctive details about the email that you want to block in the future. You'll notice in the top right corner of the email window, there are 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu of options. Within this menu, you will see the option labeled Block. Click on this, and a small confirmation window will appear to inform you that future emails from the sender will be sent directly to your spam folder. Go ahead and confirm your choice to block the spam sender. This step is crucial because it directly instructs Gmail to treat any incoming emails from that email address as spam henceforth. However, sometimes spam emails come from multiple addresses, which can make blocking each one individually quite tedious. For a more comprehensive fix, head over to the search bar at the top of your Gmail window. Click the downward-pointed arrow at the far right of this search bar. A new window will pop up, giving you various options to create a filter. In this filter menu, you can specify criteria based on email addresses, content, or even specific words in these annoying emails that you wish to filter out. Once you've set your preferences, click on the Create Filter option at the bottom right of the window. You're then given additional options for handling emails that meet your specified filter criteria. To ensure these emails never reach your inbox, click on the checkbox that states, Delete it. Finally, once you've completed configuring your filter settings, don't forget to click on the Create Filter button to activate this feature. It's important to periodically review your spam and filter settings to ensure they're up to date, especially since spam tactics evolve over time. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be much better equipped to keep your inbox tidy and organized, allowing you to focus on the emails that truly matter. And that's it. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.